Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to our science class with Teacher Ain. Today you are going to use Science Textbooks Year 2. In your textbook, you are going to see page 1 until 3. We are still in the first topic, which is scientific skills. In scientific skills, there are two, which are science process skills and manipulative skills. In science process skills, you will learn about observe, classify, measure and use numbers, and communicate. But today, we are going to learn observe. What is observe? Observe means we gather information about the changes around us by seeing, smelling, tasting, touching, and listening. These process skills are known as observing. There are 5 senses that help us to observe, which are sense of touch, sense of sight, sense of smell, sense of taste, and sense of hearing. Now, let's see this activity. Nisa and her brother are helping their mother in the kitchen. Let's follow their activities below. We need flour, salt, sugar, yeast, and water to make bread. First, we mix the flour with salt, sugar, yeast, and water. Then, we knead the dough until it is smooth. Next, we cover the dough with a clean wet towel and leave it for an hour. Wow! The dough has risen. Brother saw the changes in the dough. Can you see it? The dough has risen. Let's put the dough in the oven. Wow! This bread smells nice. Don't touch the hot oven. Ding! Mother, the timer has sounded. Is the bread done? This bread tastes good. Yes, this bread is soft and fluffy. Now, what are observations made by Nisa and her brother? Let's see the scene again. The first one. Wow, the dough has risen. See? Is there any observation here? Yes, brother saw the changes in the dough. You see the word of saw? Next. Wow, this bread smells nice. And the brother smelled the bread being baked. The keyword here is smells. Next. Mother, the timer has sounded. Is the bread done? Can you see the word of the timer has sounded? So the brother heard the sound of the oven. Next, this bread tastes good. The keyword here is taste. So, brother tasted the bread. Next, yes, this bread is soft and fluffy. See here, sister touch the bread. Now, let's see again the observations made by Nisa and her brother. First one, saw the changes in the dough. So this is from sense of sight. Next, smell the bread being baked. It is from sense of smell. Next, tasted the bread. Sense of taste. Then, touched the bread. Sense of touch. The last one, heard the sound of the oven. Sense of hearing. Now again, so what is observe? Observe means we gather information about the changes around us by seeing, smelling, tasting, touching, and listening. These process skills are known as observing. Now, I will give you the link to your exercise for today. There are 3 parts. The first one is you have to match the following senses correctly. So you are going to match the picture with the correct sense here. Next, for B, you have to drag the answer and drop it into the box provided here based on the correct picture. Part C, you have to make an observation on the fruit below. You have to rewrite again the answer in the space here according to the correct sense list here. That's all for today. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.